Working people and interview. See, working people, I think, how many of you are working? Just you. Okay, many are. So you also have these timings like 9 to 5, huh? How much time on an average you get in a day? 5-6 hours? Evening 5 o'clock. See, 9 to 5 are job, no? Even a government job. This is a job you can easily get time after 5 in the evening. Since you are doing a job, and these students or maybe other people who are giving full day to the preparation, definitely they have an edge. They have more time. Since you don't have the time, then manage your time. Okay, like try to study at least 3-4 hours on every day, weekdays. Utilize your weekends. See, time is very much limited for everyone. What people see, I must also tell you this. 1 year of preparation, 1 year of serious preparation and hard work is good enough to cover the syllabus. Syllabus is not huge. Okay, there are only few books we have to study. For geography, 1 book, history, 1 book, revise it again, practice it. So it will hardly take 1 year for optional also to cover the optional as well. It requires just 1 year. And for you, in that year, 1 year, you have to manage your time effectively. Utilize your weekends. Utilize your office period so that you can study newspaper in that time period. Don't waste 1 year, 1 hour while you are at home. Definitely challenges are more for you, but it's not, it's not, I shouldn't say impossible also. It would be difficult definitely, but since it's your dream, you have to do hard work for that. Similarly for you also. It will take, you try to take out at least 3-4 hours. See, 3-4 hours amount of good study, like a dedicated study, not wasting the time. Fully concentrated on the study. That is good enough each day. 4 hours. You go on developing 1 year. Weekends also you should utilize. Holidays you should utilize. Then at the time of examination, like prelims, if it is 2 months before prelims, you can take leave. Give full day to your preparation. But till the time, next prelims, next year, continue with the job, do the job, and utilize your time. See, you have to do sacrifices because you are doing a job. So you cannot discount that. Keep it in mind that you have to do more than what others are doing because they have more time. Any more question about this, working people? See, it's not difficult, it's not impossible, okay? Many students or many aspirants, they are doing their work. Like when I tell you about my friends who are into the services, income tax or some other services, even IPS people study here. Okay, it is hard, but since it's your dream, you have to work for it. Okay, and try to see 1 year. I'll ask everyone, whoever is willing or serious about this exam, it requires only 1 year. 1 year of serious preparation. Your syllabus is done. Then maybe in that attempt or maybe in the next attempt, you will be able to get through. It doesn't require more than that. 1 year of good study is enough. Similarly for you, sir. 1 year, 4 to 5 hours each day, then using your weekends. Maybe they'll be chilling around in the weekends. You don't have that luxury. So you will be studying in your room and आप पढ़ाई करोगे. थोड़ा sacrifice ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. Working वाला, any more questions on this working? Someone raised the hand in the middle also. I think from this side. Answer हो गया? ठीक है? The last one is